Hello my hidlings and welcome to another Pokemon card pack opening. Now before we get started, I have to let you know that due to financial reasons, I won't be able to buy more Pokemon cards and make these videos for a while. But do not worry because I will be making other videos such as reviews and stuff like that. And I'm actually going to be starting a creepypasta thing soon that I'm going to make my own and read other people's creepypastas. So to keep you all busy while we wait until this is all wrapped up. But getting off of that note, I'm going to do something special. We're going to have 5 Unified Minds today and 1 Unbroken Bonds. So we're going to have 6 today instead of 5. So let's go ahead and get started. Right, we're going to go ahead and do the Unified Minds first. And we're starting off with the green code. Giant Hearth. Dragonair. Wisharna. Fire Energy, Zygarde, a Reverse Slacking, Murkrow, Snover, Fletchinder, Onix, and Fletchling. Alright, we're going to go ahead and move on to the next pack. And we have another green code. Azelf. Chandler. Doublade. Dark Energy. Galvantula. Riolu Reverse. Meditite, another Riolu, Salandit, Joltik, and a Bounsweet. And we have another green code. Heracross. Reset Stamp. Electric. Fighting Energy. Camerupt. Reverse Drifloon. Dwebble, Lickitung, Gibble, Stunfisk, and our last card, Finneon. Alright, moving on to the next one. Another green code. Noctowl. Misty's Favor. Basculin. Fire Energy. Escavalier. A Reverse Alolan Grimer. Riolu, for Fomantis, Marini, Craigonal, and Dewpider. We're on to our last Unified Minds. And we have a white code. You all know the drill. I'm going to go ahead and shuffle since it's a white code. I'm actually hoping for a tag team because I haven't gotten one yet. Riolu, a Leaf Energy, Reverse Toxapex, Steny, Heracross, Fomantis, and a Weevil GX Full Art, Dratini, Type Null, Joltik, and Purloin. We're moving on to our last pack. Two Unbroken Bonds. And it's a white code. So the hope for a tag team on this last pack is still alive. Wartortle, Caterpie, Porygon, Riolu, Dark Energy, Inkay, Clefairy, Haunter, Gloom, and a tag team Gardevoir and Sylveon GX. This is specifically the one I was looking for a while, but dang, the last pack was the one that we needed. Alright. And Glameow Reverse. I am really happy with this Gardevoir and Sylveon GX tag team. As well, we got another Weevil GX. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm sorry that this is going to be the last one for pack openings for a little bit. But like I said, this isn't a permanent thing. So I will continue to make more videos for different things. I hope you enjoyed the video though. Remember to like and subscribe, and to always keep it in mind.